Hi, boys and girls. We're continuing our study of maps in lesson 6 of social studies. And today we're going to talk about a map of a classroom. Now, every year on one of the last days of school, I actually have to write a map of my classroom to show the custodians after they do the major cleaning in the summer where to put all the desks and computers and tables and chairs back and like the smart board and stuff. So I actually make a map of my classroom to show them. And so this is just one of the many ways that we use maps in real life. So let's take a look at this classroom. Now, this teacher's name is Miss Hutchinson, and she's a first grade teacher just like I am. And these are first graders in her classroom, just like you guys are. And it looks like they have a lot of stuff in their room, just like we do. They have round tables, they have a teacher's desk. Looks like they have a waste paper basket, a computer, a door. They have a blackboard where we would have a smart board, a clock and globes, and lots of desks and chairs. We're going to listen to a story about one special day in this class and what happened, okay? And I want you to pay very close attention.
Every day, the children in Ms. Hutchinson's class gathered happily around the two round tables. But one day, the children were scared to enter the classroom. Someone had heard there was a white mouse loose in the classroom. Brave Ms. Hutchinson decided to go in, alone, to look for the mouse. She opened the door and looked around. No white mouse. She looked under the round tables. No white mouse. She carefully opened the doors of the cabinet and peered inside. No white mouse. She went to her desk and looked all around. No white mouse. She walked around the student desks. No white mouse. She carefully, oh so carefully, looked in the wastebasket. No white mouse. Finally, she went to the rectangular table. She looked on the left side of the computer. No white mouse. She looked on the right side of the computer. Suddenly, Ms. Hutchinson began to laugh. Next to the white computer, she saw a white computer mouse. There was that white mouse. Just then, at the back of the room, Ms. Hutchinson heard a little voice. Squeak, 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 said the little voice. Yikes, said Ms. Hutchinson, a mouse.
So, was there a mouse? It sounds like there was a mouse, but first she thought it was the computer mouse, but there was really a mouse. All right, so let's take a look. Let's trace the teacher's steps in the classroom. So where did she look for the mouse? So she looked around the students' tables. She looked in the cupboard or the bookcase. She looked on her desk. She looked in the students' desks, in the waste paper basket. That's another word for a trash can. She looked under the computer, and then she looked next to the computer. All right. So, and then eventually she found the mouse. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at your workbook page. Okay, so you're going to get out your social studies workbook. So yesterday we did page 1 for lesson 6, what is a map? So today we're going to do day 2. And you're actually going to do this on your own when we get off. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this key to color the map that's on page 3 of Miss Hutchinson's classroom. So if you look at this, this is going to give us a key. It's going to say the door, round table, cabinet, teacher's desk, student's desk, wastebasket, rectangular table, and computer. And so that's the key, because it would be really hard when we do a map. We always draw it so we're almost like we're floating above the map, not like we're looking at it like we're in the room. So we always draw it like we're floating above, and that's kind of hard to draw when you're trying to be an artist. When you are drawing a map, you just draw shapes and symbols. So do you see how this is the computer down here? So what you're going to do is you are going to follow these directions, and you're going to color the map. So you're going to draw a brown line all the way around the classroom. You're going to color the door orange. 3 says color the round tables green. 4 says color the cabinet orange. 5, color the teacher's desk brown. 6, color the students' desks blue. 7, color the wastebasket yellow. 8, color the computer black. 9, color the rectangular table red. 10, color the symbols in the map key to match your map. All right. It might actually be easiest to do number 10 first, so then you can just follow the way you color the symbols. All right, when you're done, make sure you take a picture of this and send it to your teacher. All right, I will see you tomorrow.